What's up, guys? Just letting you know here, I just installed this Tusk Kill Switch, and it sat in my toolbox for a month, 2 months, waiting to install it. And the whole reason I'm doing this is because it was one of the easiest mods. And here's all you gotta do. I mounted the switch right here, 4 little bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mount the bolts. I taped it and ran it in some of this shroud here, just for extra protection. And here's the switch. Pull it out. It'll kill it. Put it in. All I did was I took this off, 2 bolts, ran this down into here. Let's see if I can see here. Well, anyways, there's a little hole up in there. You see the blue wire back there? Right there, the wire dropping down. Right there. So that just goes right up into there. And then right here, this is where you get it. This coil here, this top one, right here. See where I'm pointing, if I can get it lined up. Right there. That is coming off of the switch. The other wire, which is actually tied up, you put a female on this and you put a male on the other wire that comes out of that, and you put the male right on the connection that came out of this. So no cutting of wires. You simply add the female and a male. You plug the female into this tab, you plug the male in to the old female tab that's on there, and it works. And the reason I did this is because if there's ever a malfunction with the switch, I can pull these switches off, these connectors off, and put the old one in, and I don't have to cut or do anything. It's all ready for you. Show you how easy that was, and then it works. We'll fire it up. It runs. And it stops. Put that back in. And it runs. Pull that out. No run. So this was, I think it took me about a half hour. I got the switch installed, got the wire all taped, all ran down into the shroud there. Up in here, and one more time, it's this right here, this coil, right there, those connectors. Pull the top connector, and that's what you're gonna tap into.